with a look at Kaspa. We're kind of just touching base here today. We're looking for a bounce out of Bitcoin in two places. 90,600. We ended up coming down to what about 90,700, and got a bounce here. Yeah, 90,750. So pretty close. Looked like a decent area for it. Also down here at 87.3. If it will get rejected up here. The main area I was concerned about, let's get a couple of these off here real quick, was right here, right there. Okay, it broke back in to pattern here. Also, let me grab my arrow here. Right, you can see down here these wicks, this support line coming up here. It's broke right back in, and the main area I was concerned with, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more push down for a 5, but it has made it through this area right here, about 96,000 bucks. All right, it has pushed back up in here, pushing back up into this wedge pattern up here. So Bitcoin not looking too bad as far as the RSIs go. The 4-hour heading up looks great. The 8-hour heading to the upside. 12-hour looks beautiful. You know what? And that's good news. Popcat is breaking out. I put that on Discord a little bit ago. Congratulations, everybody over there. That's going to be a big money maker. That's going to be a good runner there. If you want to sign up for that Discord, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only 15 bucks. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and you get a link to Discord to come leverage trade with us. So that's going to be a pretty serious trade over there on Popcat. I was going to get in Bitcoin earlier. You can see this overhead resistance right here. If it broke that, I was going to jump in, but quite honestly, Popcat looked like a better gainer for me. So I ended up passing on the Bitcoin trade, but right there would have been the place to get it, right when it broke this overhead resistance here, and it broke up through. All right, so Bitcoin is looking pretty decent. Areas of possible resistance up through here. If we come out on a 12-hour, you got a major resistance up here at 97.3, 97.4. That's going to be the area it's going to run into next, right up here, these closing candles right there, right, 97.350 roughly. You get a breakthrough there, this thing could head out the top. Definitely, absolutely could do that. You could have a wave 4 pullback here and a fifth wave to the upside. We'll see what happens at 97.350. Now every chart is different. This is Kraken's chart. If you come over here, I just want to show you this because I run into this all the time with looking at these charts. That's why I ask if you sign up for the level 3 membership, there's a link for a site in the description of the video I use for leverage trading, Bitunix. If you want to use that, no KYC, no VPN. It's a pretty decent site over there. You get some welcome bonuses. Now this one here is at about the same spot. Okay, good. About 97.3. About the same, about 97.350. All right, that's on Bitstamp. And let's check one more. I'm just curious here because these all look at 97.250. All right, that's what I mean. That's why I like to be on the same page. 97.298 roughly. All right, so a break in 97,400 to be safe, and this is on Binance. That's the one I probably should be using. Binance, I like their charts. 97.250 roughly on here. That's a 12-hour, so keep an eye on that one. You get through that, you could be heading to new all-time highs. Bitcoin dominance 58.5. all right, it's about the same as the other day. It's kind of stalled out here in this area right here. Keep watching for that break. You got that daily RSI back down at the bottom. The weekly's about reset also, but the monthly, this is the one we're we're really, looking at. Then when it's turned big time bearish, huge red candle on that monthly. Let's head over here. I want to show you a couple other things. Let's take a look real quick here at the total market cap. See if we got a retest here. 3.25. If we got a retest, we could be getting a bounce here. Now, have we gotten a retest of this all-time high? It looks like we have. There we go. Good. Yeah, you got your break right here. Came back for a retest and it's bouncing now. Let's make sure that. Let's get this off here and make sure that has done a retest here. Actually, it's down a little bit more. But that might be all that you're going to get to pull this up just a hair. Alright, now let's zoom in there. Now, alright, right here is the high, right through here. You got somewhat of a retest. That might be all you get. This thing could be going. But the best way to know is put a fib on it. This on 1 hour, you get a break through these fib levels. And it's right at that 702 now. Alright, the total 2, let's go to weekly. Total 2 is looking great. Right up at that 702 still. And the total 3, this is all the cryptos without Bitcoin and ETH. You're getting a little bit of a pullback, but I don't know. It's up through the 702 now, up towards that 786. So could get a major run with the altcoins here pretty soon. This looks like a wave 3 it's working on now, so you could get a very, very decent run out of this. That weekly, still bullish. The monthly's the one. Look at this thing. Look at that monthly, 63 and a 51. Alright, and look at that beautiful chart. Total 2, the monthly is even lower, 50 and a 41, and the total market cap about the same, 61 and a 50. So these RSIs look really good, especially in a monthly. They look fantastic. I mean, this is it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. We got a lot of running alts ahead of us. I'm gonna get this off here. This is the total market cap here. We got a beautiful break, and these other two have not even broke all-time highs yet. Look at this. Still got a ways to go to break the all-time high, the total 2 and the total 3. They've both broken out of these wedges, but still a long ways to go. Alright, come over here and take a look at Kaspa. We got a bounce right in this first box we were looking for here. The last video we did, I posted 2 different areas we could get a bounce out of this thing out of, and it came right back into what about 14.1, 14.13. Right in our first box here, and it has got a bounce, and it is breaking a resistance here. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit closer, like on a 4 hour. There, our trend line matches up perfectly. And if you go across the bottom here, you can see one across the bottom here too. Let's put it like that, pull it back here. Oh yeah, we got 3 touches. 1, 2, 3, that's valid. 100% valid. So got a falling wedge on this thing too, with a breakout started on Kaspa. Looks like it's probably done pulling back. I'd like to see this 4 hour candle close outside of here. Then I would feel pretty confident taking a long on this thing. You got a 50% retracement on this push here and the pullback. That was I think it was actually a 382. Let's take a look. No, 50%, I'm sorry. Yeah, 50%, that's perfect for a wave 1, 2. If this third wave starts running, this thing could actually make a pretty decent run here. Let's take a look at a potential target. Right back up to the highs up here, close to 18 cents. Alright, don't want to see no double top, that's for sure. We put a Fibonacci on this thing. Right to the bottom. The first areas I would target is 16.4 and 16.7. We get a break through them areas, then I'd be looking higher here. But overall, this could be the target up here, 20 cents. Let's look at the RSIs. 4 hours heading up, 8 hour Yeah, most of the alts, the 8 and the 12 are at the bottom down here, and the dailies, a lot of them are reset. Kaspa is almost reset on the daily. At that high, higher high, no bearish divergence is there. The weekly, 75 and a 66. Let's look at the 3-day and the 5-day. Whoops, that's 1 day, sorry about that. 3-day. 3 days at the top and bearish, 88 and a 92, and your 5-day. 5 days still heading up. Alright, so I would definitely be watching this thing. Let's check something out here. Alright, first off, let's get this lower box off here, and it's probably all the deeper. I'd imagine that's more than likely all the deeper it's going. I ain't gonna say for sure. You never know with Bitcoin, right? So let's get this. This goes off of 20 cents here. Alright, you can see we came right up that 702 and hit that. What's going on a daily? Yeah, I mean, we get, you know, this thing starts tearing. 1, 2, working on, you know, if it starts really running here, and I'm sure it's going through, I mean, the whole market's going to run hard. I have no doubt in my mind that we're going to see, more than likely see that, you know, probably not in the too far distant future. Let's go in that weekly. Looks like a 1-2 right here, like a second wave pullback in this wedge. You know, yeah, keep your eye on Kaspa. This thing could really get going. Watch for a 4-hour close outside of this wedge, this candle right here, and I would feel, not financial advice at all, guys, I mean, but I would feel very confident in taking a long on this thing. I'd feel confident in taking a long on it right now. I just put my stop loss right down here, right down below this 4-hour support down here. You know, that's what I would do personally. So Kaspa's looking good. Have a great day, everybody. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll be back to you real soon here. Keep your eye on this. Looks very, very good.